So setting off today. Just went to fill up my backup bog and there's no water. There's no water on any of the fucking taps in my backyard. So yeah, jam. So we're just setting off now. We've just left the marina wall. Bit of messing around, we should have left an hour ago. For some reason the locks broke. There's also no water, so I had to just go to the toilets and fill stuff up with bottles of water to fill up like certain things and like so we've just got to go and do donuts in the far end of the lock because the gate's supposed the lock's supposed to shut now because it's high water, but they said they're going to try and squeeze it all through. So yeah, let's get this show underway. Right, so looks like we're actually setting off. Been given the all clear. So yeah, we're just following these out to give us a little look at what's going on. So as you can see, we're just following that big one there. Don't know what was going on earlier on, but we can all get out now. This could be the final time we come to Milford. Before it goes to plan.
Appreciate you waiting.
Looks like what sounds we can all head out now. Up revolutions and off we go. We got water outside, babe, can you just check? Got me paranoid. That's meant to be in, isn't it? That hose lock.
What?
That's meant to be in when. Might just be in the water coming in, innit?
Yeah.
That was why we were going into tide. Just felt slow. Nearly a year ago now, and when we started the whole journey, what, 14 months ago, 15 months ago, May last year, so May 2022, done our Compton crew course. A month later, bought a boat, Snapdragon 24. 2 months after that, 3 months after that, we bought this bad boy, Quiller. And now we're about to sail from Milford Haven up to Conwy over the bank holiday weekend in August. So today is the 23rd, I think, 22nd. So yeah, off we go. Let's see how we get on. Hopefully there's no dramas. We can get the sails up, have a nice sail, and get ourselves up to Conwy. So here we go. So we've finally set off. We're doing about 3 knots, just still under motor, just taking our time getting out. Wind's on the nose, so yeah, we've done about, I think we've got about a mile, maybe 2. Not really going that fast, just taking our time. Once we get down the end towards Dale, that's when we'll start to sail properly. But up to now, I've just put the mizzen up. So I put that up before for the first time. So that's just there. That's just going to steady us a bit, I assume. And then when we do get out, I'm going to put the jib up first and just going to try and see what it's like with just the jib and the mizzen. I've always wanted to, sail I've read a lot of people say that you just use the jib and the mizzen, so we'll see how we get on. But if not, we'll whack the mainsail up and then off we go. So yeah, we'll just wait until we turn to port down the end to go out the mouth at St Anne's Head. So yeah, probably about a mile before we can do that. So check back in then.
Oscar Wild, VTS. VTS, good morning. And Cockle Island, permission for the West Channel.
Like when it's low, oh yeah. Oh. Like look how high the nose goes from when it dips.
Yeah.
It's like 10 foot.
Yeah.
It's like if you're in a foreign cab. of this shit. Oh yeah. So I'm just on the bow. Damn. Just had the fucking spinnaker pole snap from one of its holdings, and then I just had to come up and get it down. Fucking. Oh man, I got some fucking airtime there a few times. Shit. Oh, fuck me. Look at these bollocks. Look at these waves. Whoa. Fucking hell. Fucked sorted it anyway, got it off. Side now. Whoa. What a fucking day, man. What a first fucking sail. We only got the sails around. Oh, that's fucking funny, that lad. That is fucking funny. I better get my ass back in. My bird's gonna have a fucking heart attack. Oh man, that was heavy, that. Whoa. Yeah, it might be. Some waves here. Oh yeah. Whoa. This man, shit's going everywhere, sweat's pissing at me. May not look nothing in here, but fucking hell man, it's rocky as fuck. Telly's going everywhere, just gonna try and gaffer tape that down. Rough is in here, man. Sweet's missing out. It's fucking fleece off. I mean, rough passage this. Oh. This rough, surely. I feel like I'm gonna spew up. Oh. Yeah. Some big ass waves. So it's been a my day. It was rough. This is our first time sailing properly. We're just off the coast of Skoma. Well, we're just northwest of Skoma, about a mile and a half off the northwest coast. Doing about 4.5 to 5 knots. We've just got the mizzen up. It's nice. It's lovely. And we've got the jib out. We haven't bothered with the main at all. I've just read people use the jib and the mizzen. We've got 15 knots of wind. It's been up to 18 to 20. We're in 54 meters there, and then yeah. So we're just doing about 4. It keeps going 4 to 5 knots. So we're gonna just go over into here, and we're gonna anchor there. Let's see. Obviously not on that course, but that's the plan. Oh, it's been rough. Bit of seasickness hitting. Got the shakes a bit now. I'm just absolutely tired. I hardly slept last night, so I think what the plan is, I think we're gonna go to Skoma, Milford Haven. We're gonna anchor there, and we're gonna just chill out for a few hours. see how we feel, and then make our next set of plans. But it's been a good day so far. Just got a lot calmer than it was earlier on. It was pretty rough, like. Was for us anyway. Us newbies that are clueless. But yeah, we had one little mishap. Spinnaker snapped off whatever it was rigged to, so I had to dive out. That was a bit crazy. Sorted it though, so yeah, just about chilling now. So I've had an issue, same as last time. Fucking no cooling. I'm seasick to fuck. Been trying to fix it. It's not the impeller. It's the elbow again. I've identified it. I've done my tests. So now we're just going to do what we done last time, just waiting over it works. So fingers crossed, otherwise, fuck, don't know what we're going to do. I'm going to do this, then try and get to bail if it works, and then just get in. I'm fucked. Out. So managed to sort it. Same trick work last time. I'm going to have to get a new elbow fitted, I think, because I can't be doing this all the time. Just going to go back into Milford now, going to motor in. Yeah, we can't do this again. We've got no more extra supplies, but at least we know the issue and we can just motor in now. Fuck. So yeah, wish us luck. So I had a little bit of a lay down, a little 30 to an hour, maybe an hour. Danielle took charge. I was just terribly seasick. I've had nothing to eat all day. It's like nearly 7:15. I hardly had any sleep last night, and then all that drama earlier on just took it out of me. We did. So the engine start, the cooling system again, gone again. After fixing it, just bad preparation, really, just bad preparation. So learned that just bring extra of extra. I did have extra. I did have a go with the, so I had the stuff to decalcify it, which did work, but it didn't leave it in long enough, so it just clogged up again. So because water was pushing out, can't figure it out. So I think we're going to need a new elbow. Can't have this happening all the time. But what I am going to do is when we get it. So the plan is now we're going to. We're just jockeying here between Skomer and Skolholm. We're just going up the centre of that, doing like 4.5 to 5 knots. We've got St Anne's Head just off the nose. Just after we pass Skolholm over there, what we're gonna do is I'm gonna tack out a bit. I'm gonna change my bearing a bit just to come out a bit more, and then we're gonna try. We've got no engine, so we can't use the engine. It's just is what it is. Because it can't cool, so we can't use it. So so what happened is when it went, we were pretty close. We were quarter of a mile off the coast, and as we turned the engine on to start making a turn to come into the anchorage, I just checked and there was just no water. Like last time, I was like, oh my god, not again. So then. This is in the middle of being seasick and all that. Dived in, open, bomb site down there. Man, look at that, fucking, just everything just got launched. It's all neat and tidy and all that. But anyway, what happened was, dived down there, got some tools, opened up the engine, checked the sea strainer, it wasn't that. Checked the impeller, it wasn't that. And then at that point, I just took the arse end off the cooling system by the elbow, and it was coming out there, so I knew there was no blockage up to there again. I was like, fucking elbow again. So I used the stuff I used last time, but we only had half a bottle. We put it in, and then what happened was we waited about 20 minutes, half an hour, and as I pumped it out, but should have left it for a while, a lot longer. Just schoolboy error. I had no more of the stuff to declog it, so obviously there's another schoolboy. We could have tried to go to the journey, but just like where we're planning on going, it's just it's too risky. So the plan is now to go in through St Anne's Head, see what the wind's doing, either go to the Dale anchor, that's less likely, The other option is, if the wind's still allowing it, we want to try and just sail up the channel to the marina, get to the buoy by the marina, and then just turn the engine on. Hopefully by the time we get there, it's nearly 7:15 now. By the time we get there, it should be free flows between 8 and 10. So we might just make it to be able to just motor through for them last 5 minutes, whatever. Or I might call the marina and see if they can come alongside us and tow us, come in with us. But you know, it's a bit of a test. I want to see if we can do it. But yeah, this is what I've been planning in my mind. If this happened again, you know, as I was doing my contingency planning, I was just thinking, just if what happened last time when it went, if that happens again, what I'd do, and it'd be like, well, you know, I would try not to panic, which is easier said than done. There was a bit of a panic going on when it happened, because obviously we had the starter battery disconnected. It's only a switch, but well, you know, when you've got like a quarter of a mile to go to shore, and you're going towards it, you know, about 5 knots, and then you're trying to turn round and you can't, and then the jib got took because we didn't have enough speed. So I had to just panic. Obviously, a lot of screaming and shouting. You know, it's just how it is. Poor Danielle's been getting roared at. Fucking turned into Hitler, didn't I? Barking everywhere, but just direct barking of what we needed to do. Got it done, got out there, and then just had the big tack right to sea. And it was just like, then once we were out, we just went for an hour just to get far away, so I could do that repair job. Tried the repair, didn't work, and then we've just been on this course now, going all the way back in. So as we see here, what we've done. So as you can see, we were coming along there, and then we were coming round there, and then this is where it happened, about there, and then we done that big turn back out. As you see, we went out, done a big loop, so I wasn't sure, that's where I was just trying to fix it. Then we've been following this, I had a little snooze, and then we've gone between the 2 islands. So Broad Sound we're going through now. We're nearly through, and then we're gonna head to here, St. Anne's Head. Then we're gonna go through the channel, keep following that purple. Oh, looks like there's a bit of traffic in there, so that may cause a few issues, but then we're just going to see. The wind is in our favour, I think, so we're just going to see how we get on. Yeah, and that's a bit of a fucking podcast, that. So yeah, it's all good. Doing just 4.5 knots now. See how we get on. It'll be all sound, and it's been some fucking adventure. But this is what I meant to say before. I'm absolutely done in. I planned if this happened last time, so you know, if we go to Dale or go to any of these about 5 anchorages, you know, depending on the way the wind goes. But if we can get up that channel, as we get to the marina, I remember it being about 8 or 9 meters depth, so it'd be easy to just drop anchor if we got into trouble. But we are facing the Coast Guard as well. That's the last thing I want to do, is phone the Coast Guard. You know, they already rescued us, same issue months ago, but we've fixed everything and all that, and this was like the test sail, so just a bit of a nightmare. But I planned for this in my mind, if anything like this happened again, what I'd do. So we've got places to ride it out, we've got options, and we'll just go from there. So yeah, catch you in a bit. So, what a day. Still not in yet. Maybe about another half an hour, an hour. We've done over 50 miles today. And we've had a lot of ups and downs, but it's very peaceful. Tranquil. And I've learned a lot, which is the main thing. I should sleep tonight. This ain't easy. How dark it is. It's pitch black. Can't see shit. I'm just sitting in the dark. This is what it's all about. Oh, it's stressful, man. It is stressful. I've had a lot of things go wrong today. Had the spinnaker snap off the main mast. We had the engine fail. Well, the water cooling system again, what I'd already fixed. I've spewed multiple times through severe seasickness. I've had a nightmare. We've had just been sailing with the jib and the mizzen all day, and then I tried to put the main up just as it was getting dark. Just fucked up big time. Oh god, everything that's gone wrong has gone fucking wrong. But we've had a great time. We've learnt loads, and we are fucked. We are 2.1 miles nautical miles from our destination. We're doing 3.5 knots. It's just been graft this. But we're getting there. We're getting there. Once we get just outside the marina, which is in just over two, they can come and get us. They can come up alongside and take us into the marina. But obviously we've got to get there. But the amount of miles we've done to get here is, yeah, we've done a lot. We're crazy. Just been crazy. Just yes, but it's nearly over. I'd say another hour or so. But we're getting there. We're getting there. Another rescue here. Thanks to these boys, yeah. Pretty good. Another day out sailing, another day getting towed back in. Walk of shame. Luckily though, this isn't the Coast Guard, these just the patrol boat, they come out and help us. So yeah, they radioed us. The wind died off, so we just it is what it is. Just grateful for it. I thought we were a lot closer than we was. So just grateful for what's happened. And it's got us in a lot quicker. We would have been fine, but the wind, I was happy to just chug in super slow, 2 knots. Then it just went to 1 knot. I was even happy doing that, and then it was getting less than that. We wasn't moving, and you know, we come into danger at that point. We were out the way of things, could have dropped anchor and stuff, but it's all right now. So happy days.